Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mr. Bobden or Malika, and in today's video I'm going to be blocking a sweater for the first time, specifically this sweater that I'm wearing right now. So on this sleeve I did the stretchy bind off, which is why it's curly, and on this sleeve I did like the regular bind off. Oh, and this is the novice sweater chunky edition. So it looks like this before blocking. And I've actually never blocked a sweater before, but I do have these placemat thingies. I have no idea what it's called, but I've seen my sister use it. So when it's time to block, I'll just ask her, you know, how to do it. But yeah, I've never blocked a sweater, so this will be my first time, and I'm really excited because I have no idea like what to even do. I know you like soak it in water, but after that I know like you spread it out, but I don't know like the actual details. So this is gonna be fun, and I'm excited to see how it's gonna turn out in the end. But that's really all I have to say. I'm really breathless because putting this sweater on made me tired. But that's it. I just wanted you guys to see the before of the sweater, and then after I block it, I'll put it on. I think this will have to dry like for like a day maybe, because it's kind of chunky, so it's not going to dry right away. So whenever it finishes drying, I will try it on again for you guys to see if it even looks different. But right now it feels super prickly. Like I can feel the, maybe it's the wool, but it's really prickly. Like I feel it, and I know that when you block sweaters the prickle factor goes down exponentially, so let's hope it does, because I can really feel it around my neck area and stuff like that. Like around my arms it's fine, but it's really like right here, since it's kind of a turtleneck in a way. So hopefully that goes down when I block it, but we'll just see. So let's get started. Okay guys, so if you hear like air whooshing somewhere, it's because my laptop is like working overtime because I'm uploading so many videos because I'm filming so much right now. But okay, my sister gave me everything I needed to block my sweater. So I have my sweater, and then I have the wool wash I'll be using by Sorella, and this is how it looks. It's so cute. Let me see if you guys make sure you guys can. So this is the wool wash I'll be using, and then I have this little portable sink to block the sweater in. So cute. And then I have the blocking mats. I called them like placemats earlier because I really didn't know what they were called, but now that I know they're called blocking mats, I can correct myself. So I'll be using the blocking mats, but that'll be after I dip my sweater in the water. So let's go do that right now, and yeah. So I'm going to leave that in there for like 15-30ish minutes, and then I'll take it out and go on to the next step. So see you guys then. Okay, so it finished soaking. I need it on accident, so now my knee's wet. But I have it in this towel. I don't even know if I'm supposed to do this, but it's just so heavy, so I just got a towel and kind of wrapped it in there. Now I'm like kind of pressing the water out, so that's how it looks. But it's literally so heavy. But now I'm gonna get the blocking mats out so I can pin it down. Duh. Okay, ta-da, blocking mats placed. So now I'm gonna get the sweater. So here's the sweater. And now I'm just going to like place it how I want it to be, I guess, you know. I have no idea how to do this. Okay, I added more mat so I can like stretch my arms, my sleeves out like that. So hopefully that does the trick. Okay, that's literally like the best I got. So now I'm just gonna pin it and then let it dry all night. So I'm gonna pin it with these thingies. I have no idea what to pin. I'm just pinning everything. Alright, so everything is pinned. It's all pinned down on the mat, and now we just wait for it to dry. So I'm gonna let it dry overnight and see how that does, and then I'll check back in the morning. Say bye. Okay guys, so it's literally been like 3 days since I first blocked that, but now it is fully dry. So I'm going to take all the pins that I pinned into it out and then try it on so you guys can see the difference. And so I can tell you guys the difference. Like, I already feel that it's way softer than it was before. So stop it. So I'm gonna take the pins out and then go from there. So let's get it. Okay, all the pins are out, and this is how it looks. I can already feel that it is so much softer than it was before, and it looks bigger too. So I'm gonna try it on really quick and show you guys. Okay guys, it literally got so big. Okay, this is how, hold on. This is how it looks now. Okay, I still feel like I have to struggle. Okay, So this is how it looks now. So this ribbing bottom was like kind of curled before, and now it's not curled like at all anymore, which is great. My sleeves are huge now, like these are my fingers. But this was the curly like sleeve, and now it's not even that curled anymore, so blocking solved that problem. But it did get bigger, which is fine because it's a sweater anyway, so I don't really mind. And if anything, I can always maybe do this, something like that, you know, to make it shorter if I need to, but I really don't. But it feels, it's still like a little like prickly, but it definitely isn't as prickly as it was when I first finished it before blocking it. So the prickle factor did go down a lot, which is also good because right here was really itchy and annoying, but now it's tolerable. Like, it's fine. I can definitely wear this all day, like, but before blocking it, no, I could not do that. But it's totally fine now, which is great. But yeah, really the only thing that happened is that the prickliness went down and my sleeves got bigger, and my curled ribbing got fixed as good as it could be. Like, this is the regular one, curled one. I don't know if you can tell, but all in all, like, I enjoyed the process. It took longer than I anticipated. Like, it literally took 3 days. I thought it would like be an overnight thing, but I guess since this yarn is so thick, like, it had to stay out and dry out longer than usual. And I also didn't flip it or something. My sister said that it would have gone faster if I flipped it, but I put way too many pins in to flip this. Like, I didn't know how many pins to put in, so I just put a lot. But my sister said you don't have to put a lot, you don't even have to pin it down if you don't want to. Next time I will still pin it down, but I just won't put as many as I did this time. But yeah, would I do this again? Yeah, definitely. Would I do this to all my projects? Definitely not, because it just takes so long and I don't feel like having to block every single one of my projects. But if I need to block it and I feel like, you know, it's kind of necessary, then I will. But if I don't need to, I'm not going to block like every single one of my projects. Like, I'm not going to do that. But will I do it again? Definitely, I will do it again. And yeah, I think that's like all of my review. I don't really have anything else to say, I don't think. So yeah, my blocking process, first time blocking, 9 out of 10. 9 because it took longer than I thought, but other than that, it's super easy. Really easy. All you do is dip it in water, take it out, and let it dry, basically. So that was easy. But yeah, that is the end of this video. So thank you guys so much for watching, and since you guys enjoyed it so much, be sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post another video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.